What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. As you can tell, this is not my garage whatsoever. There's also a Nissan flag up there and a Z flag. And there's an old man who's just walking away. So we are down in Charleston at my parents' house, and today, what are we gonna do, Dad?
Change the oil, put on a new bumper.
As you guys saw in the last video of the Z that I did a very long time ago, Dad's always been missing something up here, and it's frustrated him a lot. Turns out, he's been missing a bumper. Alfred went on the internet and helped me find a JDM 240Z bumper, I guess. It's not as big and disgusting as the American bumpers for these things, so we're switching to an old bumper, which, Dad, how much was this? Like $280?
Yeah, $275, something like that.
$200 and something. And then for $50 off eBay, you get a little bracket to put the JDM bumper on your USDM 280Z. So we're gonna do that today, and then, as Dad said, we'll change the oil, do some other stuff. We had to replace the battery because that didn't work. That thing was shot. So we just did that so we could move the car over here. Here's the S2000. But we have plenty of room to work on it and to do things, so we'll get started. Beer fridge. Grab one of these. Dad, do you want one? No. Okay. Are you gonna change the oil right now?
Yeah.
All right. I'll open this and get situated for the bumper.
Start with the important stuff.
Well, changing oil is a one-man job.
So is opening a can of beer.
It's a two-hand job. Come on. I've done everything one-handed. There we go. To swap over from the USDM to JDM bumper is extremely simple. It's just, I don't know, probably $300 worth of stuff and your time and maybe a couple wrenches and super minimal tools. So we got our bumper from, I found it on eBay, then Dad found it for cheaper at, what was it, Z Depot?
I think so.
ZDepot.com. I guess they're selling on eBay and they sell it on their website. So we got it for cheaper there. By the way, if you guys want CSCC 50th anniversary shirts, hit up the club page or go message Alfie, or, no, not Alfie, he's not in charge of that. This is Joel. And you guys can get shirts for 15 bucks each. Or if you want to go get 2x4Co shirts or stickers, head over to the website, www.2x4 or 2x4co.com. So go get your stuff. We've got these brackets. Dad and I were looking at them earlier, and we're just figuring out how they get mounted. Super simple. We were expecting them to go up like that, but we were wrong, and they go down. So basically just sit right here. That's where they go. And I think that's right.
Well, you'll actually turn it over.
Oh.
There you go.
They go like this.
That's it.
There we go. So that's how they sit. Very easy process, very simple process. I'll start bolting these up and then we'll go from there.
Faded light, so smooth and heights. Your cruel mind.
I've been working on this car for 10 minutes and it's already making me bleed.
So it's a successful project.
Camera's not going to focus on that, but you guys can tell that's blood. So we have our one bracket on. Now we're using one of the bolts for your horns, and the guy on eBay is nice enough to give you longer bolts because
You need some others.
these guys are pretty short. Yeah, I need two more, Dad. These guys are short, so he provided us new nuts. So I got to do the passenger side, and then we can throw the bumper on. Hopefully it'll be done. We also will probably paint these guys since Dad went with the black bumper. These are bare aluminum, might stick out, but we'll see.
Sight, you're crawling down.
Guess what?
You gotta flip them around.
Yep.
Okay.
They're gonna come out anyway.
Did this wrong, and we put the brackets on backwards, so we gotta take them out now. Alright, our JDM front bumper is installed. We don't even need to paint these brackets because here's about the only angle you see them at, so that's fine. Say this thing looks way better than the American stuff. And the front end of this car is now complete. There you have it. I don't know, it's probably, what was that, 20 minutes of work maybe?
20, 30 minutes?
Yeah, so we have our JDM front bumper on Dad's car for $300 and 20 minutes. Was it worth it?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Thanks for your help.
You're welcome. So you like this now? You like it better than the disgusting American one and not having a bumper?
Yes.
All
Way
right.
better.
You want to do the rear?
At some point. Not today.
Well, we got to order it. We got to buy it.
Well, we would. We'd actually, the back's going to take some modifications.
Just drill some holes.
We can, but that's another day.
So,
Seats are probably next to, and then get it painted.
all right. So yeah, the guys who owned Dad's car before him shaved off the rear bumper, which you guys, I think I've got a clip of it. You guys have seen it before. So there's nothing there, which looks really weird. And then there's nothing up here, but the JDM bumper helped bring the car back to looking the way it should, like together and whole. So we've got to, as Dad said, we got to work on seats. I've got a few ideas on seats. It's kind of hard figuring out what's going to fit because it's just the challenge. But I'm thinking some of the old GTR seats might fit, or even the Recaros from like the DC2 Integra, or one of those things, or maybe even FDR X7 seats. But we'll figure that out. This car is really tight, so it's not easy figuring out seats. So I just got to go dig around on the forums and see what people have done, see what fits, see how it goes. And then this car will take a trip to Omari's to get a fresh coat of paint. As you guys remember, Omari did the color transformation on the FC from Electron Blue Pearl to Midori Green, and he's gonna make Dad's car probably red again. It'll be a way nicer red. It'll be a better red than this car's ever had. So we'll do that, and this car's coming along.
Yep.
So that's about it for this video. We've got to go to the dump, throw some stuff away, and then I gotta figure out. I'm cooking dinner tonight for the family, so I gotta figure that out. But that's about it. So again, thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. If you are a long-term subscriber, thank you guys for your support. Again, if you want, by the way, this might be my new tattoo. Fun fact. If you guys want a 50th anniversary CSCC shirt, you can head over to the club page, message somebody on there. You can even message me. I'll put you in the direction of who you need to talk to. Those are $15. You can get your 2x4Co stickers, shirts, and tune stickers and team shirts all on that website at www.2x4co.com. And that's about it. Also, drop a comment if you like the JDM front bumper and if you're a fan of S30s. So we will see you guys later. Bye, y'all. Sweet.